going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got some cool things-ish for the Subaru again.
Don't mind that.
So basically, I've got WRX STI front bumper splitters for my wagon. The reason for this is because I wanted to get a front lip for the bumper as well. Also, I don't have any seats in here because I took out the carpet because I wanted to clean up some stuff with it, some rust. There's a bit of rust in here. I don't know what all that is. It might just be carpet residue. This also is because race car. I'm going to pull the bumper off because that's easiest to work with the bumper off. And then I don't know why I keep pointing my camera that way. Anyway, we're going to install the splitters, and when I get the lip, I'm going to install the lip in the same video. So if this video never goes live, then I didn't get my lip. So I need to pull the car backwards a little bit. That may not be enough space still. Pull the e-brake up. And now let's pull the front bumper. This way I should have pretty good access to the cords and stuff. We will install the left, I keep calling these canards, splitter first. Before we do, what are these things called? Leave it in the comments below. Canards, splitter, shark point bumper thing, anything. These better be worth it because these are fucking $200. So to give you guys an update, this side has been done, and this side has been done. This side has a bunch of zip ties for it and stuff. That was because I couldn't find any proper clips or bolts laying around my stash to use, so zip ties are obviously the next best choice. I'm going to mount the bumper back onto the car after I fix this. This is slightly popping out. Maybe if I just... Jesus. Rip camera. Hello. 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 Ooh. Alright. That's not looking too bad. I think the lighting sucks in here. It's probably why it's focusing so poorly right now. So yeah, lip hopefully is here sometime soon, for both my sake and your sake. Let's go to lip install. Hopefully it's not too long from now. Welcome to hell. Oh yeah, just like one of the previous videos I think that I uploaded before this one. Yeah, I uploaded that video before. That was filmed the 12th of April. We got snow. It just started snowing. Look, it's April 27th. Alright, so at some point I filmed sort of an introduction to like, hey, we're installing the lip. And let's go. Something like that. Unfortunately, I don't see it. I guess you just get this voiceover. Anyway, we're gonna install the lip now. We're gonna start off with taking the bumper off. And then we're gonna get to the install. Oh yeah. Also, in case you couldn't tell, yes, I am sick, or I just became a man. I don't know which one. Let's get to the lip install. Alright, now let's take the lip out of the packaging and see where all of the bolts go on here. I might have to cut some of these zip ties, and I might have to take out this bolt in order to install it, but that should not be a problem. So let's get to it. So basically, I'm doing a little bit of modification. I'm using screws to help these because these are not going to hold it in. And I especially needed screws around here because it for sure was not going to hold this area here with only these two clips. It's down, you can see it's really not staying in there. That could be a little bit unsafe, but the reason why it's having kind of a hard time fitting is because this is for the sedan slash STI bumper, and this is the wagon bumper. It's a little bit smaller, so that's why it's not really fitting all that great, but it works. As you can see here, it's not bad. It's not that bad. It just needs a few screws here and there, and it should be good. So yeah, now I just need to drill some holes here, and we should be fine. So that should be pretty good. This looks mostly done now, but I may need to add a couple more screws here and there. But overall, it should be pretty much done. I'll have to see how it looks on the car, but I think it'll look good. I'm gonna place the bumper on the car. Just temporarily. I do need the bumper off because I need to lift the car up, but that's for another video. So we're going to put it on, see what the lip looks like, and then that'll be it for this video. Here's the lip. Not looking too shabby. Also, in case you're wondering what kind of lip this is a V style lip. This isn't a V. This is a V limited style lip. This isn't actually a V limited lip, I think. So yeah, it's not an actual V limited lip, but it looks close enough. It actually ain't looking too bad either, which is pretty good. It's just slightly short here, but that probably could be just an error on my part. Slightly short here as well. I think that might just be an error on my part, plus this lip is for sedans and STIs, not for my car. But I made it fit. Anyway, that is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. It looks like the snow is stopping now, so things are really looking up. That's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you go ahead, leave a like, comment below, and subscribe to the channel for new videos like this once a week, because I have school and responsibilities that I need to have before. Sorry for that weird cut. My video card filled up. Anyway, yeah, that'll be it for this video. And until next time, goodbye.